Okay, to reset on the BMW F30 really is nice and simple. We just press the button so that the ignition comes to the on. You make sure your foot's not on the brake. You don't want the car to start, but you just turn the ignition on. And then we press and hold this button over here until a service menu comes up. As a matter of fact, we needed to wait for that bonnet open warning to go away and then press and hold this. Here we go. Now it's showing the service light there. We press it again. It comes along to the rear brakes. And here you go. Reset possible. This is on the oil. So we press and hold that again till it says perform reset. Let it out. Then press it again. Reset in progress. Keep holding it. There we go, 29,000 kilometers and reset successful. So the reset has been done on the oil change.
Interesting, that reset says 29,000 kilometers. I really disagree with that. I change my oil in my BMW every 10,000 kilometers. That was even my pre-turbo BMWs, but now that engine oil is also feeding in through the turbo, which is really hot, and lubricating that as well. So I'm all over this 10,000k changing the oil. It's really cheap insurance, especially if you're doing it yourself on your BMW to take care of it. Now, I am friends with a mechanic who works at BMW, and he tells me absolutely the cars that are regularly serviced don't have the issues and the problems. But if you get people who go really long oil change intervals, that's when you'll get issues with your motor, and that's when things will happen. So absolutely, I do not agree with that 1,000 kilometers. Change your oil every 10,000 Ks at least. And remember the little book. Wherever you keep your books, there's a little service book in there. So you're doing your oil change yourself, most definitely enter in the date and the fact that you've changed the oil and the filter, stick that in as well. Be very important when you sell it that you've kept an official log of the oil changes and different air filters and things you change as well.